Hello dancers, today we'll be going over the international jive step called rolling off the arm. Let's get going.
Leaders, let's continue with your footwork for the rolling of the arm. Position yourself on the right. We're going to rock step backwards with the left. Ready, set, go. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And this is your footwork.
Now let's learn the pattern for the followers. Here we go. Followers, start with your weight on your left foot. Right foot is going to go back into a rock step. We have right, left, pivot slightly to the left. You're going to do a chassé with the right foot, right, left, right. You're going to move backwards with the left foot, rotate and step forward with the right foot, and finish with the triple step with the left to the side. Let's do that one more time. We go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And that's your pattern.
Next, we continue with the timing for your rolling of the arm leaders time. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's do it with quicks. Ready, set, go. Quick, 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 quick. This is your timing.
Now let's put the timing to the rolling off the arm for the followers. Here we go. Start with your weight on your left. Right foot's gonna go back on the count of 1. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that again with the quicks. We go quick, 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 quick. And that's your timing.
Next, we continue with the partner demonstration for your rolling of the arm in international style jive. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one more time with the quicks. Ready, set, go. Quick, 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 quick. Thank you very much for joining us today. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're gonna see you in our next video.